It's a 2019 Dodge Grand Caravan. Having a family means dealing with surprises. This Grand Caravan was designed to handle the unexpected by delivering craftsmanship fueled by innovation. It's equipped for all your driving needs and wants. Remote engine start, front heated leather bucket seats, streaming audio, auto-dimming rearview mirror, AM/FM satellite radio, wireless phone connectivity, dual zone climate control, V6 engine, aluminum wheels, and integrated navigation system. Can a vehicle be daring yet sensible? Yes, it's a Dodge. Someone is going to drive this fantastic vehicle off the lot. It should be you. Test drive it today.